Hello guys, welcome to your favorite channel Tech Job. Today we are going to see a new job opportunity from KANTAR. KANTAR is conducting an off-campus drive for BTech 2020 batches. The position is analyst and the job location is in Bangalore. If you are from 2020 batches and if you have 60% of academic record throughout 10th, 12th and graduation, you can apply for this job. The minimum CTC provided by the company is 4 and the maximum CTC is 5.5 for this job role. uh, Link is in description box, so go and apply for this job. And if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button for latest job related videos.